Okay, hi everybody, I'm Kirsty from Love Not Creations, and because the Powertex Unleashed today didn't go through, I decided to re-record the video so you don't miss out on making these beautiful pumpkins. So the examples I have are these little ones here, and then this is the one we made earlier. So the bases that I use are the polystyrene pumpkins, or you can use just made out of a piece of foil. So I'm going to make one with a piece of foil to show you how to do it, or you can use this polystyrene one. So let's get started. Just bear with, I'm going to just turn the camera upside down and put you here. Technically minded, there you go. All right. So how I want to start off is I just use a container to go upside down to cover this piece. But before we do that, let me show you how to make one out of foil. Grab a piece of foil. So all that I do is I just scrunch up the pieces of foil and I make markings. So let's get him out the way for now. And then all I'm going to do is just scrunch it up on the ball. Not too tight because you need to make the markings of the actual pumpkin. So that's one, and then make another one. And that's two. Let's get that out of the way so you can see. So that's two. So I haven't made them too tight, but what you can use is your little palette knife or paintbrush and just make the markings. So I'm just going to make a marking there, there, and there. You can make any shape you like. This one's just going to be a really, really fun piece to make if you don't have the polystyrene piece, like I said. So just making the marks. I'll use my fingers in there later as well, just to enhance it a bit more. And then that one over there. So I'm literally just doing it into 6 segments. I know that there's normally more segments, but I'm just doing an example. And then after that, cover it with masking tape. So the whole piece needs to be covered with masking tape. Make sure you follow the actual lines of where you've made the grooves for the pumpkin. Looks like I just flattened them a little bit there. Okay, so that's the whole pumpkin covered. Don't forget to cover the base as well. I'm just going to make another groove there if I can. So I'm just going to use my fingers just to groove it. It's not the prettiest of pumpkins, but it's really, really a rough pumpkin. And then I'm going to use a little bit of foil for the top of the pumpkin. So just in a little piece, I use a table as a flat piece, and I'm just going to make the stem by twisting it. So just twisting the top. You can make the stem as big as what you want, but just attaching him, covering him with masking tape. Okay. Perfect. So that's my masking tape piece done. Don't forget to do the base. And now we will get to covering.